Oh, Math Gad, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be learning a lot and we're going to be improving a lot our math skills. But before we continue with the video, guys, it's very useful for the channel to grow if you turn on those notifications, subscribe to the channel, and push that like button as well. So without further ado, let's begin.
Oh my God.
Hello guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be seeing a practice with two problems solving ratios and unit rates with fractions and decimals. So let's begin. So let's say someone cooked 10 cookies in 0.5 hours and they wanted to know how much time they would need in order to make 100 cookies. So as we learned before, we would just have to multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number in order to reach the answer. So we have to multiply 10 times a number for the answer to be 100. What number is it? 10. So we multiply 10 times 10 is going to give us 100. And if we multiply the numerator, we also have to do the same thing with the denominator. That means that this person makes 100 cookies in 5 hours. So in the first problem, we have Andrea, and it says that Andrea makes 24 cookies in 1.25 hours. And problem A asks, how long does it take Andrea to bake just one cookie? So again, we want one cookie. In order to get one cookie, we have to divide the numerator by 24. So we divide the numerator by 24 and the denominator by 24. So 125 divided by 24 is going to give us 0.052 hours. That means that Andrea takes 0.052 hours in order to bake one single cookie. This can also be expressed as 3 minutes. So it takes her 3 minutes to make a cookie, but you can leave the unit in hours. Now we have the first answer, 0.052 hours. Now, question B has two parts. The first one is, how many cookies can she bake in 1 hour? So if we want the denominator to be 1 hour, we actually have to divide by 1.25. And if we do that, we also have to do the same thing with the numerator. So we divide 24 by 1.25, and the answer is going to give us 19.2 cookies. Which, rounding it up, means that she's going to be able to make 19 cookies in 1 hour. But what about 2 hours? If we wanted the amount for 2 hours, we just multiply by 2 in order to get 2 hours in the denominator. And then whenever we multiply 19.2 times 2, that's going to give us 38.4 cookies. Which means, rounding it up, that Andrea makes 38 cookies in 2 hours. So again, what we did is that we divide or multiply, but whenever we do that, we have to multiply both the numerator and the denominator and divide both the numerator and the denominator. Let's try problem 2. A box of cereal states that there are 90 calories in a 3/4 cup serving. How many calories are there in 4 cups of the cereal? How many cups of cereal make 180 calories? So in this case, we have a box of cereal that says that it contains 90 calories in 3/4 of a cup. Now they're asking us how many calories there are in 4 cups. So the process here is that we have to find how many calories are there in 1 cup, and then we can see how many calories are there in 4 cups. So the first thing we have to do is divide by 3/4 in order to get 1. But again, we have to do the same thing with the numerator. So remember, whenever we divide by a fraction, that is the same as saying that we are multiplying by the inverse of the fraction. So if we multiply 90 times 4 divided by 3, that is going to give us 120 calories in 1 cup. But the question was for 4 cups. So we have to multiply that by 4. And since we're multiplying the denominator, we also have to multiply the numerator. So we are going to have 480 calories in 4 cups. Now let's go to question 2. So question 2 states, how many cups of cereal make 180 calories? So again, we want 180 calories and we don't know the amount of cups that is going to be. So in this case, it's pretty easy because we have 90 and we know that when we multiply 90 times 2, it's going to give us 180. But if we multiply the numerator, we also have to multiply the denominator, meaning that we have 3/4 times 2, and that's going to give us 3 divided by 2, or 1.5 cups. So guys, in this problem we have found ratios of units using fractions and decimals. So it's the very same thing, just keep in mind that whenever you divide, you have to divide both the numerator and the denominator. And the same thing goes whenever we're multiplying. So guys, that's pretty much all for today. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow OHMATHGAD in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!